Minista Muviani wa Kiw'U Mugaa Kana Silikali Ikaminukilya Waki wa Silanga wa Thwake Mwaini wa Ikumi mwakani uo na Vayingwa Kisyii ona Kimwe Kila Kitonya Kuvingiisa Mwolooto Mugaa Wavika Mbee wa Senate Umunthi Kusungia Makulyo Kukon'ya maunyungu nisio Kivathukan'yo kuma kwa maseneta ni wathingilila kana budget ya Kuminukilya Waki wa Silanga Yiiselew'a na kuvikia oyu Silikali ni nenganitilo vyasyo ndesiande vikwa enendela mabetangiwe ithekani sione kana kunengane Mwai kwa Silanga wa Thwake. Benjamin.
Honorable Speaker.
CS Eric Murithi Mugaa ule Mbee wa kikalo cha Senate kwa Umunthi Niwaweta Waki wa Thwake dam hoteli ovani ni mwanovyo othele nangewa ya Waki ikethwa thina na niwenge kwambia Mwaini wa 11.
What measures has the government put in place to ensure the timely completion of the dam, and could the cabinet secretary give the timeline?
The construction of the 80.5 meter high Thwake multipurpose dam with a capacity of 688 million meter cubic storage capacity is ongoing, with civil works on dam construction at 94.2% completion level. The project will be completed and as planned, and the first impoundment is expected to happen by the short rains in December 2025. The contractor is under clear instructions to ensure remaining dam construction works are completed by 30th October 2025.
Ndino welesio wa ikulu imuti akuma kwa Senator Makulyo Dan Manzo. Minista Eric Mugaa wa Thwake dam hina ininiva silingi bilioni miongona na ile siya kuminia ilungu sionde siya Waki wa Silanga besa siya vamusi na kumande siya nzam.
I am aware that there is ADB funding in this dam and also the government funding in the same dam. What was the percentage of each, and whether the government of Kenya has met its part of bargain?
The government of Kenya has funded the project by 6.782 billion, and the African Development Bank is meant to fund the project to a tune of 35.583 billion Kenya shillings.
Silikali Niwaweta kukwama kwa Ikumi Silangani Mwaini kauta mvitu kunaumanitwe na mwalu kuntino wa misole ya Waki wa Silanga uno.
The height was adjusted from 77.8 to 80.5. And then in the process of construction, they realized that there was a weak foundation on the dam, which needed deeper excavation. As this resulted in variations on the cost of the project.
Because of the increase in height, there is a cost implication for us to have more impoundment based on the surface runoff from the earth catchment. And the cost implication is 2.4 billion Kenya shillings, and this was done in the year 2017.
Indono huyo voices Mugaa Niwaweta Vayingwa mathie mande vikwa misila ya athukiye Waki wa Silanga ithekani sio aiweta no misili oka ileta namba kwata ndivisio kuma na ngusanisio sia musi sia kitheka.
Could the minister explain when they will compensate these particular individuals, since there seems to be delay, and following the matter of the National Land Commission, they have not been very cooperative?
These cases are ongoing, but the money for their compensation is with the National Land Commission. So once there is agreement, the two families will be duly compensated.
Vilingwa mavoko kumava kaunti nilovi. Yenetwa Benjamin Mwaka.